Oh, Jesus. Can you hold that? Oh, my God. Have to be careful not to touch anything here. Your hands are going to get contaminated with all the chemicals and everything. But this is where they refine everything here for the silver. And you can see all the hard rock, everything here. Mining silver is a tough and dangerous business, folks. And up there in the distance you can see the mines. So they transport all the raw materials down here to be refined. Yes. Which mineral do you remember? Which mineral? Come over here, please. One semicircle.
Looks like iron to me.
You remember I said this refinery plant is small, just working with 3 minerals: silver, zinc, lead.
Oh, zinc.
This one is mineral because it's mixed. Then in Potosi, Oruro, La Paz, with other technology, we saw the flotation system. With lixiviation system, it's possible to extract the metal. Metal is pure silver, pure zinc, pure lead. It's possible. 95% more or less from all the mineral we export in these conditions, and 5% metal. The more stupid, my friends, in Potosi is zero factories, zero industries. We export our mineral like this one, then we import our mineral, but with more price in tools, machines. The mineral using as well in mobile phone cameras. Maybe your camera contains some mineral from Potosi.
Oh, wow.
But don't say made in Bolivia. That is the more stupid.
Isn't that cool? That'd be
Bolivia,
so cool.
my friends, is rich. In Bolivia there are lithium, petroleum places for the farmer, lot of minerals, different minerals. But in Bolivia, my friends, the problem are the politics. There are a lot of corruption, nepotism. For that reason, there are many particles. Especially our mineral finish like this one. Okay? Yeah. Who wants this souvenir?
No. It's okay. I gotta go get my hands dirty, but...
Thank you.
Do you want?
You want a souvenir?
So there's silver, zinc,
And lead.
and lead in here.
Yes.
Wow.
Plata, plomo, zinc.
Yeah, you don't want to touch lead. You don't want to touch your face with it and everything. Right? Or wash your hands, but...
Who wants this souvenir?
Wow. Really dangerous business, folks, but without risk, there's no reward. Oh, let's see what he's showing here now.
The gray color is silver. The yellow one is fused gold. We call Evo Morales gold.
Which one's silver again?
The gray color. The yellow one is pyrite, fused gold, not real gold. I can break this one for you in that place, okay? To transport some souvenir for you.
How about the silver?
Oh, okay.
Can you put that? Yeah. That's the best.
Wow, real fool's gold and real silver now. Now we're going to a different part of the refinery here. My friend Jürgen from Germany here.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh my God. Gotta be careful walking up these rocks. Whoa.
Contain a little silver, the gray color.
Oh, thank you. So,
Contain a little silver.
Oh yeah, look at that. This contains
and so
a little silver here.
I guess I don't need to buy any.
That color is silver.
That is so cool. Little gray color in here.
Just trying to
It's
give you
pure
one.
silver.
Thank you. The grey is silver. The dark grey.
Yes.
This dark one.
Look at that.
Yes.
This is pure raw silver, right?
Not. It's mixed with fused gold.
Oh, okay.
Just the gray color is silver.
This sparkling
The
one
other colour
is
not.
full gold.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
But the
More
dark
gold than
grey
silver.
is silver.
This one?
Yes. It's mixing, yeah? That one is silver.
Thank you.
I guess I got, these are little souvenirs then?
Yeah.
I hope I don't get in trouble with the U.S.
Not many
Customs
machines
bringing
to
this
separate
back.
from the garbage, yeah?
I know they're
But this
top,
place
but
is very
it's okay.
contaminated.
I know, I'm just...
We will, and
because it's mixing, yeah? That one is silver.
Thank you.
I guess I got, these are little souvenirs then?
Yeah.
I hope I don't get in trouble with the U.S.
Not many
Customs
machines
bringing
to
this
separate
back.
from the garbage, yeah?
I know they're
But this
top,
place
but
is very
it's okay.
contaminated.
I know, I'm just...
We will, and
minus because
You can't
they don't
take
have good equipment, my friends.
I give it to you because
No, it's for you. Not for
I
you.
live in the United States and I'm very
Okay.
Who wants this one?
stupid in customs. I don't want any trouble. No, I'm just doing
Well, here's the scene of the refinery again, folks. This is where we are. And I'm actually going to put this back here. I just don't want to take a chance, but I'm actually going to buy the real thing here, maybe like a coin or something. So, yeah, you don't want to get in trouble with the U.S. Customs because this is coming from any, you know, like raw data mined or something, and you don't want to be transporting anything back to the United States. So that might get you in trouble. So, anyway, we are going to, I think we're almost concluding the tour here, and hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and yeah, so there it is. Again, out there in the distance, way out in the distance, you can see all the silver mines and other minerals and stuff that they harvest from here. Pretty incredible, folks. So now we're gonna head back to our truck and make our way back to the hotel, I think. Let's see. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this is that's a toilet. I don't think you really want to go in there. Okay, well folks, this is Dhaval signing off here from one of the Potosi mineral mine refineries here. I believe primarily for silver. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will check in with you guys later. And yeah, talk to you guys soon.